Good morning, all of you. So, in last class, I have discussed about SRLH using NOR gate. Today, I will discuss about SRLH using NAND gate. So, you can see that circuit diagram of SRLH using NAND gate NOR gate. Today, I will discuss about SRLH using NAND gate. So, you can see that circuit diagram of SRLH using NAND gate is like this. So these two pins are S and R. You know that S means set pin and R means reset pin, and these are two outputs, Q and Q complement. Okay, so before proceeding further, you have to know about the truth table of NAND gate, and you know that the truth table of NAND gate is like this, and you can easily form it. One thing you have to notice that when one input is 0, the output is always 1. That means when one input is 0, it doesn't depend whether it is there in another input. It always is equal to 1. Okay, now we will utilize this fact to form the basic circuit operation of SR latch using NAND gate. So the truth table for SR latch will look like this. That means for 0 0 it acts as invalid. For 0 1 the output is 1 0. For 1 0 the output is 0 1, and for 1 1 the latch acts as memory. Now we have to prove these four statements. So first I am taking case 1. Case 1. Okay, in case 1 I am giving input S is equals to 0 and R is equals to 1, and we have to check the output of Q and Q bar. Okay, so we are putting S equals to 0, S equals to 0 and R equals to 1. Clear? Now you know that if any input of NAND gate is 0, the output is 1. Clear? Now this point is connected back to this point. That means this input is also 1. That means the output will be equal to 0, because you know that 1 1 1 1 is equal to 0. So Q is equal to 1, Q bar equal to 0. That means we can cross verify that Q and Q bar are complements of each other. That means that is a valid state. Okay, now we have to check whether 1 and 1 behaves as memory or not. How to check that 1 1 input behaves as memory? Let's put the input S is equals to 1, R is equals to 1. Now we are giving the input S is equals to 1 and R is equals to also 1. Okay, now previous output of Q was 1, So 1 comes here, 1, that means 1 1 is again 0. Now 0 goes to here, now 0 goes to here, and you know that 1 0 is equal to 1. That means q is equal to again 1 and q bar is again equal to 0. That means for input s equals to 1 r equals to 1, the latch holds the previous data. Previous data was 1 0 and now also it is 1 0. That means for 1 1 the latch behaves as memory. Clear? Now case 2. Case 2 you will try. I will not describe it. The process is same. For case 2, s is equals to 1 and r is equals to 0, and q will be equal to 0 and q bar will be equal to 1. Again you can check that for s equals to 1, r equals to 1, that means this input pattern, the q remains same as before and q bar also remains same as before. That means this state behaves as memory. Clear? That means we have proved these 3 lines. We have proved that 0 1 gives the output 1 0, 1 0 gives the output 0 1, and 1 1 acts as memory. Now we have to prove that for input pattern 0 and 0, the latch behaves as invalid condition. So case 3. Case 3, for case 3 s is equals to 0 and also r is equals to 0. Okay, and that means you have to put 0 here and you have to put 0 here. Now what will be the output? You can see that from NAND gate truth table, if any one input is 0, the output is always 1. That means for this NAND gate, one input is 0, that means the output will be 1, and also for this NAND gate, the one input is 0 and the output is always 1. That means here both the q and q bar are equal to 1, which is impossible because q and q are always complemented with each other. That means this state is called invalid state. Clear? Now we will come to the point comparison between NOR gate SR latch and NAND gate SR latch. Already I have discussed about NOR gate SR latch and now you have know about NAND gate SR latch. You know that NOR gate SR latch circuit diagram was like this, and now I have discussed that NAND gate SR latch circuit diagram is like this. You can clearly see that the position of the SR pin have interchanged here. That is the one difference, and also there is a difference in truth table. For NOR gate the truth table was like this, and for NAND gate the truth table is like this. So what is the difference? For NOR gate 0 0 acts as memory, but here 0 0 acts as invalid. For NOR gate, the 1 acts as invalid, but here 1 acts as memory. For NOR gate 0 1, for 0 1 the output was 0, but for 0 1 the output is here 1. For 1 0 the output was 1, but here for input 1 0 the output is 0. That is the difference between NOR gate SR latch and NAND gate SR latch. Thank you. That's all about it.